Once upon a time, in a small town named Blossomville, lived a little girl named Lily. She loved spending her afternoons in her grandma's beautiful garden. One sunny day, Lily found a shiny, old watering can hidden behind the roses. As she picked it up, a sparkle caught her eye, and she wished the watering can could water the plants magically. Suddenly, the watering can started to hum and glow. Lily could hardly believe her eyes as the watering can began to dance and splash water on the plants all by itself. The garden started to bloom like never before. The flowers grew taller and brighter, and the fruits on the trees ripened quickly. The whole town was amazed by the magical garden. Lily was so happy to have the magic watering can. She took care of her grandma's garden every day, making it the most beautiful garden in all of Blossomville. But one day, as Lily was watering the flowers, she noticed that the watering can was running out of water. She was sad that her magic tool was no longer magical. Just then, the watering can spoke to Lily. "You have been taking care of the garden with love and kindness. That's all the magic I need." The watering can started to glow again and filled up with water. Lily realized that love and kindness were the real magic. From that day on, she took the best care of the garden with all her heart. And the garden continued to bloom, spreading love and happiness all around Blossomville, forever and ever. The end.